Hey guys, Jeremy Redig with FloorRescue. We're super pumped up about to do this amazing flake floor using the new FloorGuard product system. We are happy to use their materials and their products. We know a lot of people have had a ton of success with their materials for years and years. They have been in the industry for decades out of Chicago, Illinois. We have profiled the floor. We've got our concrete surface profile where we like it. Diamond ground this with some big planetary machines. We actually ground all the verticals too. So we got these concrete steps and everything has been profiled so that we'll get a good bond to our verticals and to our concrete step. We are going to be dropping a great product by FloorGuard, their DT454. These guys have been in the game for a really long time, so we're stoked with putting their system on this garage. We've got a 2-to-1 epoxy that we're going to be using. The flake is a special custom order, so it's not a typical one size 1/4 inch or 1/8 inch flake. From prep to final top coat, FloorGuard products deliver the quality and performance this garage deserves. Durable, beautiful, built to last. Whether you're a seasoned installer or tackling your next big project, FloorGuard has your back with products that perform every time.